Hi everyone. If you suspect that your WhatsApp has been hacked, here is what you can do. And before that, here are some signs that will let you know that your WhatsApp may have been compromised. If you see unusual account activities, if you notice unfamiliar messages, calls, or status update that you did not send, it could be a sign that someone else has gained access to your account. Number two, unexpected device connections. WhatsApp Web allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer by scanning a QR code on your phone. If you see a connection to a WhatsApp Web from a device you don't recognize, your account may be compromised. Number three, missing messages or contacts. If messages or contacts suddenly disappear from your WhatsApp account, it might be an indication of unauthorized access. Number four, two-step verification disabled. If you had two-step verification enabled and it gets disabled without your knowledge, it could be a red flag. Also, account changes. Check if there are any changes to your account settings, such as a new profile picture, status, or privacy setting that you did not make. So, these are some signs that may let you know your WhatsApp may be compromised. So, after that, the first thing to do is secure your account. Change your password immediately. Go to WhatsApp settings, account change number to change your number associated with your account. After that, enable two-step verification if you haven't already. So, if you want to know more about this two-step verification, I have a video here on this channel that I've explained two-step verification. So, you can enable that one. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can do this. You can go to WhatsApp settings, account, two-step verification. Also, you can also log out of WhatsApp web. If your account was accessed through WhatsApp web on unauthorized device, go to WhatsApp's settings, link devices, and log out from all devices. You can also check app permissions. Review the permissions granted to WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure it only has access to the necessary features and data. After that, you can also run security software, performance, run antiviruses, malware, or antivirus software to ensure that there are no malicious apps. If you do all this and still you can't gain access to your account, contact WhatsApp support if you are unable to gain control of your account. Go to WhatsApp support through the app or their website. Remember to regularly update your password, enable two-step verification, and be cautious about sharing your verification code or personal information with anyone. If you believe your account has been compromised, taking immediate action is crucial to prevent further unauthorized access. Thank you for watching and see you next time. And remember to subscribe and share it to save lives. Bye.